Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to allow only audio remixing for your YouTube videos. Like if you don't want that other people can remixing your videos, then you can stop it. Or if you want that only your audio or your sound will be remixing, then you can set this setting. So first of all, you need to install YouTube Studio from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log in your account. Then you can see the interface like this. So simply tap here uh, on your videos. That videos you are going to choose the settings, and tap here the pencil icon, and you can see here more option, this one, and tap here allow remixing short. It's always short, and tap here allow only audio remixing, and it means that only your audio track will be remixing on the short videos. So I hope this video is helpful. So today's no man, see you in the next video.